Hi everyone, welcome back to Sketchup.fun. Today, I'll be covering the Select tool. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchup.fun. You enter SketchUp Make 2017. You go to the 3D warehouse again. And this time we'll look for a sofa set. Yeah, let's select this from Zam Kinto. Alright, here we go. So the select tool is this, or you press spacebar. So let's explode it. Now they are in individual components. So if you left click them individually, you'll be selecting them individually. If you want to select multiple objects, you press the first one. You hold on to shift, you left click the second one, so on and so forth. If you want to deselect, press this. You want to select and continue to press. So let's say I want this sofa set to be in a group, so I select all of them individually. Then I right click and make them into a group. So this is also a very simple but crucial tutorial. So for this video, exactly like the pan, orbit and zoom, you just practice until you're comfortable. So it's not too hard. Left click, go on to shift to deselect, or you want to only select one item, you left click that item, like so. Okay, until next time. In the next episode, I'll be teaching you about the line tool. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchup.fun.